Hey, spread it out left so the gaffer can see. Look how chest and knee. Is it Ronaldinho? Deck on my G's. Louis feet. Hey, I was in 2015, no hair on my chinny chin chin. I was in 2016, just there, never finishing things. Got rot 6 months and I could've gone spare for the shipping me Tims. 10 days of shipping me Tims for the Air Force One I can put on my limbs. 2016, all air like clouds of doubt, need guiding winds. If you're my G, press square cause he holds it down where nobody is. I hardly created chances, spread it out left where I found some joy.
What's happening, Bailey?
Just getting started. What's up, brother? We're doing an E30 roll right here.
One of my favorite meets is SoCal Vintage BMW. I really love that one, just because it's all the classic BMWs. But another one on the list is my man's Bailey, aka Vintage Beamer. As you can see, we're just setting up right now. But yeah, man, look at all these cars. One of the best meets. Follow Mans on Instagram so you can see all events. But today should be crazy. It's still early, we're still setting up, and a lot of cars coming.
Now I say who can, I can. That's right, and I lift my thumb if it makes me move, yeah I like that. Spread it out left so the gaffer can see. Look at chest and knee. Is it Ronaldinho? Deck on my G's. Deck on my G's. Hey, I was in 2015, no hair on my chinny chin chin. I was in 2016, just there, never finishing things.
What's going on here?
Today we got Hollywood Cars and Coffee. We're here at Ron Herman and Marl's Cafe. It's gonna be a great day today. We have so many cars out, so many people here. Love it, love it. Once a month, we'll see you guys again.
Yes, sir. Oh, he's getting denied. I feel rejecting people, man.
So what?
How's it feel rejecting people? All these new cars. Just doing your job, huh?
My job.
Top flight. Security.
Come on, be a sumo. You know that I'm trying to leave with you like girls on me since birds and bees. 2016's not too much weed. Couple man there fell prey to the sauce and couple man there fell prey to the greed.
It's about 9:30. Meet starts at 9. I came a little early to get all the shots. We working out. How you doing, sir?
2002 is fucking got flowers all. No, don't.
Oh, that one? That one? Yeah, it looks good, huh?
No.
You got a 2002 or is it 2002?
No, man, that looks like, you know, the guy's gonna come out and he's gonna look at that and go, get that shit away from that car, man. It's a fucking car, not a.
This is an art piece, right?
The sad part about it is,
Yeah.
mechanically, that's the worst fucking car of this lot right here.
I know what you're talking about, man.
This guy's got a fucking M3. This guy's got a 6. That's got a stroker. That's got a stroker.
Where's yours?
I got the blue one on the
Oh,
end.
that's why. That
No, man,
mentality. Yeah, that thing looked nice.
Bobbing it
Like,
away.
tell me about this car. Let's see that blue one. I want to see why the opinion's like that.
Why are you doing
Okay.
that, man? Certain
Yeah,
cars gotta
ain't
do
gonna
that.
happen. It's a nice car there.
Thank you, thank you,
Yeah,
thank
look
you.
Tell me more.
What is it?
Yeah.
It's a Porsche. You're.
It's a nice Porsche.
It's a Porsche.
This is the first time you've seen it. The headlamp looks nice. Very good. You know what's crazy? She did this. How long did this take you to do?
4 months, 5 months.
4 months. Transformation.
Yeah, it was interesting.
I love the transmission story.
It was really
the whole working with the tranny. It was great.
Oh my god, that was fucking awful. We don't talk about that. I was sitting there for like 2 months underneath that fucking car and I couldn't fucking figure it out. I'm just stupid and I couldn't fucking figure it out. But I did it. I lifted something bigger than me into a car. So
Props.
that's what's up.
Let me ask that again. Would you sell it?
No, I'm a greedy little bitch.
What about the O2? Never selling that?
How fucking no? It's my first car.
Okay.
Yeah, and they're just so, I don't know, I would never sell that.
Any cars next after this?
I'm looking to either get an RX-7 FB or a SIL S13 or a motorcycle.
Okay.
So there's like
All those are great
one of those
choices.
three, but the goal right now this year at least is to rebuild the O2, motor swap and all that fun stuff.
I like how I told him, like, let's go check out his car, but like, he just left me. You like that one?
Fucking,
Approval?
that car is sexy. Orgasmic.
Wow. Oh my God, 3 Benzes just pulled up. Damn. All right, they're missing a 190E, but those are like the 3 choices that I would love to.
Monday's looking pretty bleak. Yeah. 2/3 of the week on no sleep. Cause I never had a Jeep. And my mum works late every eve. Monday looking kinda bleak. I don't want my zoo to finish. Night and day doing black British. Now I need a fresh trim for the image. Yeah, I told the girl you can't come to my yard. That's what I do, my thinking. Plots on quest from west. Adventures of Tintin. Like, you just got a lease on my heart. My mental shifted. The day I clocked that nobody's listening.
You did not have to come shit on the whole party like that, bro. This car's beautiful, man. This thing look good. What model is this, man? I don't know nothing about Benz. I'm always about the Beamer.
300E.
300E? Nice. And what kit is this?
It's an AMG kit.
AMG kit all around?
All around.
Nice, man. This thing looks great. My man's got a beautiful car here, bro.
Made it.
Beautiful car. We're in an E9 right now. I didn't get your name. What was your name?
Ravine.
Ravine's
Yeah.
E9 right now. This thing, all right, on camera you can't really tell, but this thing is a freaking boat steering wheel. But it's original. This is wood grain. It's 5-speed. Can I shift it?
Yeah.
See how this shifter works.
But it might be a little.
Yeah, this feels good. It's a little long, but it's got the whole vibe here.
Yeah.
You leave it in gear, right?
Yeah.
All right. Wow, look at this. Yo, this is a vibe, dude. Back in the day, you're a boss driving this shit. You got the Madam here. Oh wow, these door handles are wild. It reminds me of the E12.
Yeah. This is all original interior too.
What is this about?
Oh, this turns the wind
Wow.
the wind wing. Ah, your quarter glass.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
And then little ashtrays, cause you know back in the day they needed that. The power windows. What year is this thing?
70.
Powered windows. BMW is on a whole nother level. What is this?
That's the speaker grill. Originally.
Wow.
Yeah. Whole
Wow.
luxury Big 6 going on.
Wow. Dude, it's an honor. Thanks for letting me sit in this baby.
Oh yeah.
You just running with this?
Yeah.
That's how you hear your music?
Yeah.
This dome light? Wow, this is crazy.
That's a period correct blow punt on there.
You ain't gotta flex on us like that. Damn, this is beautiful. This car's... I was freaking out about these door handles here. Check out these door handles. It's almost like a Tesla. They're not even there.
Integrated, yeah.
In the 70s, bruh, BMW is killing the game. How you feeling, man?
You know, another day, Melrose vibes. You feel me?
Yeah, one of the best meets in SoCal, right?
You know, it's a community effort. You know what I mean?
I was telling the people that I really love SoCal Vintage.
Yeah.
Favorite meat.
Yeah.
Really love vintage Beamers meat.
Yep.
All the time, this is the vibes we got here.
For the culture, you know what I mean? For the Beamer culture, fashion, art, music, and cars, you know what I mean?
Yeah, you gotta follow the man on Insta. Stay in touch. Oh, email.
Oh yeah, vintage Beamer cars.
Yep, and then we send you what we going on. Shit came out great. Howdy, sir.
Yeah.
How are you?
It's good. How are you?
Very good to see you again, sir.
Likewise.
We got the Old Faithful here.
What did you bring today?
We won't talk about that. I bring the daily.
Please. Bro, your day
Look
is
at this,
supposed
man.
to be the same. BMW.
I know, right?
Hybrid BMW.
I want an i3 as my daily.
I checked them out. Even the car is made out of recycled stuff.
Oh yeah,
you know
that's
that,
true.
right?
The fibers is all
interior
recycled.
and- Yeah, everything is recycled inside.
That's true.
They didn't want to spend money on it.
It's eco-friendly.
Yeah.
I'm
I
an
know.
eco-friendly type of guy.
Come on, battery is worse than the gas, bro.
Yeah, he's speaking facts
we
here.
we have trees to clean the bad air. How about the battery? Hell
Oh,
no.
exactly. It's facts, huh?
Hell no.
Facts.
It's marketing. Like they put organic in everything, but nothing is organic.
Facts, man. Keep going, all right? Now you're
Right.
gonna start telling us about how the pigeons are drones.
These are organic. These guys are organic.
Come right up and grab your
plastic. See, I even made the keychain of the cafe. Right here.
own. We can put organic on the keychain.
Yeah.
Make it organic, right?
Hell yeah. Non-GMO. 9 fucking GMO.
For the V60.
Look how long ago that
So
was.
they go, we're not.
I have never seen something like that, bro. You're so fucking talented.
Like, I'll make it work.
How?
So they sent me the pull their
It's just
intake.
normal, you know. I just
Specifically does not
Bro,
work.
you.
So we pulled the washer
Wow.
fluid out.
Can I take a picture of that one?
yeah, man.
You can put it in the museum. Look how talented this guy. I could, just engrave it on the back of it. I didn't know you wanted like that, plain.
I did it. Let's see a beautiful S38 right now.
How'd you open it? It's like a
M30.
B58. It's gonna be a 4-banger. M30. A little bit of a nudge. How long? Oh.
Nice.
I think it comes straight up. Oh wow, those things are spring. My hood does not stay up.
He has everything well sorted. He always goes through the whole car. He found all the individual rubbers for the throttle bodies and everything.
You can tell. Look at when you got the
cares,
plastic caps.
I was gonna say
and
when
that,
these are clean.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Even when the springs are clean. All knots won't stop.
Skip. Hey, Bone Jones here. How you doing, sir?
What?
How are you doing, sir? I didn't expect to see you here.
You know how to shit on these fucking clowns, nigga? Show how the real BMW niggas do it, bro. We done upgraded.
Coming in the Ducati.
We done upgraded, bro. I had to leave these clowns in the dust, guy.
What about that one?
That shit is move as fuck. That shit gay as hell. Gay ass little fake ass fucking M-Tech 2 kid. Get the fuck out of here.
God.
Yeah, let me get the fuck out the way for this shit overheats, nigga. Yeah, put the fuck right there.
Shit overheats. Hey, whose 34 is this? Did anybody know? You just leaning on it?
I've never seen a step.
5-0. Hey, blasting people? Hey, shoot him again. Shoot him again. Oh. Oh. How was the turnout, bro?
It was perfect.
Yeah, man.
I'm
coming.
a little, you know what I mean? I gotta put some more of this in my cup.
Couple man there fell prey to the greed, but fuck that when they see their team succeed. Couple man when they get bossed by me. Couple man when they get a verse for free, or when I come try get dirt on me. But please, man, stick correct from young. We done up my lungs. Man, I'm still here for the funds. Them man pick up my crumbs. Marj grind for the slums. I could never be a bum. No, never be a bum. Or Marj grind for the slums. I could never be a bum. Never.
I think this shit ends when a fat lady sings, you know what I mean? Or when your engine blows. Either one, you know what I mean?
Let me see this real quick.
Big.
Man had like 3 different fits on now.
Feel me? Had the work fit, then had the, the brunch fit.
Oh my god. What is this going on in here?
Hey, I was just arguing with these guys for a cool minute. I don't even know why I was arguing with them. But long story short, they think the white 540 is better than the Calypso 540.
Bro, okay, look, keep recording. If you go to this guy's YouTube.
Good.
If you go to this guy's YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Here, let me take it. Hey, what's up, everybody?
You can't have
it's
this.
me,
You
Ish.
can't have this camera. Just talk your shit.
If you go to Christian's YouTube channel. Okay, well,
Got 2 minutes left.
first of all, the argument is Christian's 540 Calypso better looking than my 540 Alpine White 6-speed?
Yeah.
We're arguing. Well, he's arguing. I know mine's better. You know what I'm saying? He's arguing, but
this is better. He says.
But if you go to his YouTube channel, his biggest video or his last biggest video was on this car. Probably because the people liked it.
First of all,
2016, all air like clouds of doubt, need guiding winds. If you my G, press square, cause he holds it down where nobody is. Check on my